Across Urumqi, mosques were ordered to close. The government expected trouble. With tensions running so high here, they weren't taking any chances. But despite the heavy police presence, some ignored the order to stay home. After Friday prayers, a small group of Uyghur Muslims demand justice. Release the innocent men, release our brothers, they cry.
For the past half an hour there have been a group of Uyghur men and women protesting, raising their voices and shouting in anger. So far the authorities have done nothing, but now, as you can see, they're moving in to try and control this situation.
They quickly surround the group. Look closely at the protester in the white t-shirt. A policeman kicks him hard. Then, on the left, an officer runs in. Drawing his baton, he smashes it down with full force. Next, the protester is led away. His hands are held. He's defenceless. Another officer punches him repeatedly, then a kick. At this point, we had to stop filming. The police began rounding up journalists. Urumqi is more tense than ever. Troops have flooded into the area from across the country. Most of the 156 people killed in Sunday's riots were Han Chinese. They hold the Uyghurs responsible. The state media is full of pictures of their bloodied bodies. Many are demanding retribution. Shortly after the protests, the area was sealed off, and for the first time in 2 days, Urumqi is again under curfew. Earlier, the group said they feared for their safety. There's no word from the authorities as to what happened to them. Quentin Somerville, BBC News, Urumqi in Western China.